Morning, friends. Next topic is types of fibers. So, how many types of optical fibers are classified? So, based on the number of modes propagating in the fibers are classified into two types. Number one, single mode fibers. Number two, multi mode fibers. So, what are single mode fibers and what are multi mode fibers? So single mode fibers means it allows the only one mode to propagate in the optical fiber and multi-mode fibers. So here number more than two or three modes here propagating in the fiber. So based on refractive index in core and cladding region. So core and cladding region are having different refractive index. Based on refractive index variation in core cladding region, fibers are classified into two types. Fibers are classified into two types. Number one, step index fiber. Number one, step index fiber. Number two, graded index fiber. So step index fiber. First of all, step index fiber. So what is step index fiber? An optical fiber with a core of constant refractive index N1 and a cladding of slightly lower refractive index N2 is known as SIF. So step index fiber means N1 should be constant. The core of refractive index should be constant. I mean N1 refractive index should be the core refractive index should be constant and cladding of slightly lower or so cladding of slightly lower refractive index is known as SIF. So the core refractive index should be constant and cladding refractive index should be lower. That indicates the step index fiber. Next, the RI profile, the refractive index profile for these types of fibers makes a step change at core cladding interference. At every interference of core cladding, the RI profile for this type of fibers makes a step change. So core cladding interference makes the step change. Refractive indexes makes the step change. So N of R, the R refractive index profile may be defined for both N1 and N2 regions as R is greater than A and R is lesser than A. R is lesser than A. I mean A refers the radius or refers the refractive index. So sorry, or is lesser or is radius. A means the distance between the core and the interference line. So here R is lesser than A for core material and R is greater than or equal to A for cladding. Next, step index fiber. So step index fiber number A and number B step index fibers for multi-modes and single modes. So for multi-modes, if the figure A shows and the single modes, the figure B shows. So A figure, refractive index NR. So here constant N in figure A, if we observe, N1 material, the refractive index of core material should be constant and the cladding refractive index should be reduces lowering level should be observed for N2 material. So constant for multimodes and again we observe reduction in cladding material. In cladding material we are observing the reducing level. So A represents the core axis to core distance to the lower index of the core distance. Or represents the radius. Okay, next or represents the cladding radius. Okay, A represents the distance and or represents the cladding radius. Here for step index, so for step index fiber single mode propagation, here it is, if we observe carefully, the A means the radius of the core material should be very small because it is single mode fibers. And for cladding material it reduces, and for cladding material we are observing like that. So single mode, for single mode ray transmission, the refractive index profile for single mode indicates the figure B, and the refractive index profile for A represents the multi-modes. Okay, multi-mode step index fiber. A represents multi-mode step index fiber, B represents single mode step index fibers. So what are